Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best milling machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grizzly G0705 mill drill. The Grizzly G0705 mill drill is a powerful machine designed to meet all your milling needs. With its 2 HP motor, this mill drill is capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. The R8 spindle taper ensures strong and precise spindle movement, allowing for accurate drilling and milling operations. The 411-16 spindle travel and 15 1-ton 2 swing provide ample space for working on larger projects. Additionally, the maximum distance of 17 to 5/16 from the spindle to the table allows for versatility in workpiece size. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the Grizzly G0705 mill drill offers convenience, precision, and power for all your milling needs. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Eastwood Mini Metal Milling Machine. The Eastwood milling machine is designed with home workshops in mind, offering a compact size without sacrificing functionality. You can perform a variety of tasks such as drilling, beveling, and chamfering with precision, enhancing your project outcomes. The tilting column feature allows you to work at various angles, making it easier to achieve accurate cuts. Additionally, the large R8 taper supports a wide range of common tooling, giving you flexibility in your work. With a powerful 3.4 horsepower motor, you can control speeds up to 2,500 RPM, ensuring that you have the right power for any job. At number 3, we have the INTBUYING Mini Milling Drilling Machine with R8 ER32 chucks. The INTBUYING Mini Milling Drilling Machine is a powerful machine with a 1100W brushless spindle drive motor that provides tremendous torque and variable speeds up to 2250 RPM. The machine features a microfeed function that is accurate up to 0.01 and an integrated crosswork table that can be moved from front to back, left and right. The machine comes with a set of R8 ER32 milling chucks and features a high-definition LCD screen for easy operation. At number 2, we have the TECHTONGDA Mini Milling Machine with brushless motor. The TECHTONGDA Mini Milling Machine with drilling, milling, groove, plane milling, chamfering, and other functions is capable of fine processing metal, wood, and other materials. The machine features a 1100W brushless motor with infinitely variable speed and high precision machining accurate to 0.01 mm. The widened working table and T-slot convenient fixture fixation provide durability and easy fixture adjustment. The machine also includes spindle high precision feed, one-piece steel handlebar, and hand wheel adjustment with fine adjustment switch. And finally, at number 1, we have the Proxxon Micromill 34108. The Proxxon Micromill is designed for quiet and precise milling, allowing you to work without disturbing others or experiencing fatigue. Its lightweight and slim profile ensure that you can easily maneuver it without sacrificing performance. With high-quality precision tools, you can achieve detailed results in your projects. This machine is perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, providing a reliable option for intricate milling tasks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.